I mean, the first time I was on a roof was probably 6 years old. You know, my father used to tie a rope around my waist to the chimney, and he'd go to work knocking shingles out and give me a board to pound nails in. I've seen it change so much. So I saw the way it used to be. Now it's changed so much where the manufacturers are far more involved. There's, you know, higher quality standards. And I really think it's made us better as a company because they forced me to become better.
You lead from the front. You know, you want to be out where things are going on. And this industry is difficult. You know, we're trying to solve problems on buildings for people that a lot of times have been neglected. You know, and they'll have a building that'll house millions of dollars of stuff inside the building, and it'll have a very marginal, poorly performing roof system on it. And so it's really rewarding to be able to go out and, as simple as it sounds, you know, stop a leak for somebody. The asset managers on large properties are forced to do more with less. They are, and so it trickles down. So we do more with less.
We take administering a repair very seriously, and we also know that we have a responsibility to help our clients save money. And because of that, we don't do more, we try to do less, and we try to do it faster. In every case, we try to go ahead and expand that lifespan of the roof. People are trying to save money, and we feel like we're a part of that.
It simply comes down to best working practices. We want to provide a roof that's going to last, that they're going to get their money's worth for their investment. And that takes consideration for the weather and how it's going to affect the application. We don't want to put something down that now is going to be fine, but maybe it's going to affect the longevity of their investment.
We want to make sure we maintain a professional demeanor. We want the people that we work with and work for, we want them to feel comfortable when we show up. We are problem solvers. We take that pressure off of them, we assume it, disperse it, and make it go away.
It goes all the way from the owner, you know, myself, salesmen, everybody is very hands-on to the project.
We really are a team. I mean, all the way from who takes the call to me dispatching these roofers to those guys going out in the field. And with that in mind, not any one of us wants to drop the ball or let that client down, because they ultimately have somebody that they've got to answer to, whether it's an owner, their tenant. And so we want to make sure that we try to get them to look as good as possible, because we've just discovered that if we make them look good and feel good, they're going to come back.
It's very personally rewarding for me to see a job done well. I just get a really good feeling.